Jacob, what you gonna do, Jacob?
I'm making a video.
What you gonna do now?
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
It's smoked out?
I don't know, he was fucking with something in there. Is that JacobViral?
I did video right now.
I just watched Foley on you.
Oh, yeah?
You, EXO, everybody.
Yeah, we do a lot of videos. Can I get a sub video real quick? Nope, no playing, just going real quick.
Jacob, what you gonna do, Jacob?
I'm making a video.
What you gonna do now?
You gonna go with me?
What?
I'm trying to go in there too. I ain't got quite the following you got, but I got the 20K on TikTok.
One, two, three, four. 24 NSV4 12s.
I've been waiting forever to get that one out there. Forever. Like 2 years. I played it a little hard. I got some wings on the other side. Good job. I can play a little bit on the lows.
Dude, you did a good job with this.
It's leaking though on the other side.
It is?
I gotta fill all that up. I just hadn't had time.
Yeah.
Put a big round over right here.
Yeah.
I'm putting this wood all over everything, the floor. But you can sit down in the corner and don't vibrate. Now turn around the other way. Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah. Turn it to your back. Now you ain't gotta worry about this hurt like I did last time. It don't vibrate.
Yeah.
Dude, my chest came.
I lost my. That was loud. Too hard. Don't do that.
Hertz at a 65.
Everybody in the club know what's up.
Those mids are only halfway right there. I know they got really loud for some reason. I guess because of the sealed
What's the water? What's up? Yeah.
I can already tell that based off that shit. I'm like, man, this is fucking crazy. Yeah. All the pressure's fucking they're all like 35 or something. No, that's yeah, that's
Holy crap!
You got. I already know better. I'm sitting here flexing with everything I got. I did before it lets. I played it too long, too hard.
Oh shit, I'm going.
I gotta pull it down now.
Dude, you did a good job with this.
It's leaking though on the other side. I gotta fill all that up. I just hadn't had time.
Yeah.
Put a big round over right here.
Yeah.
I'm putting this wood all over everything and the floor. But you can sit down on the corner and don't vibrate. Now turn around the other way. Yeah. Turn it to your back. Yeah, you ain't gotta worry about this hurting like I did last time. It don't vibrate.
Yeah.
Woo! That's the loudest demo I've ever got. Ooh, you feel like you got shocked? Dude, my chest came. I lost my breath. Whoa! Yeah, I can smell them again. That's it. I pushed that too hard. You're making me cry! Don't do that! Earlier was a little stronger. I have more voltage. Thank you, Chris. Holy crap. I gotta quit doing that.
Everybody in the club know what's up.
Those mids are only halfway right there. I know they got really loud for some reason. I guess because of the sealed off.
What's the wide G? Take this shake like a shaker.
Really? Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.